Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good at your own place. Today I am here to discuss about why criticism is important. Criticism is important in our life. Because of criticism, we try to be better version of ourselves, which helps to excel in our upcoming days. As we all know, criticism has a significant role in our life. Because of criticism, we need to work upon our leadership skills, our thought process, our methodology to do a certain objective. So here, criticism is basically constructive or it may be destructive. So we need not to worry about criticism. We have to focus upon our agendas. If you look, there are always you face the criticism in the society. That's why several peoples don't try to do new things because of this criticism. They have the fear factor in such a higher side, they don't want to get into any criticism. This constructive criticism can help us to do better in our life. We need to think about this constructive criticism and work accordingly so that our leadership skills will be modified day by day, which help us to build our brand, build our product much more qualitative than earlier. How to handle criticism? Listen honestly. What are the audience, what are the people are talking all about, or what are the feedbacks they are providing to you? Then don't get much into the negative or destructive criticism. Put your time into constructive criticism, which helps you to build your product more qualitative. There are several advantages of criticism as well. As we starting listening to people's feedback or criticism, we need to think beyond ourselves to do more better in comparison to earlier, which help us to create our image in front of all. Criticism is very important for an individual as well as for an organization also. For an individual, it definitely amplifies the quality, the personality, the analytical ability, etc. For an organization, it helps in building a product better quality to serve its peoples in a better way. Thank you.